My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like.
First, buttons. Clearly you can see the third button is for the remote control. Okay. And the other two is lock and unlock, so it's easy to understand. Okay. Then about the keys. Find the biggest triangle one so that you can start your bike. Okay. Then find about the square one to lock your handlebar so that nobody can steal your bike. Okay. The smallest keys is for the battery storage cage, but you need to open the doors here, take off the charging port, and then use the smallest keys to open the battery cage door. Okay. Before you take out the batteries, you need to twist the screws here so that you can get loose of the battery part and then take out. So same step here, if you finish your charging, then you install your batteries here and then twist and go. About the front and rear suspension system. And the performance about the disc brake. Today's video is still about installation. Today I will show you the model M8. How to complete the front tire installation when you get the package. First still, take out the center supporting bar and loosen the screws. Then you get 2 of these. Put the longer one on the side of the brake rotor and the shorter one on the other side. Then install the front tire. Make sure the brake rotor slides into the front brake caliper. And then install the center supporting bar. Tighten the screws. The front fender is easy to install. Just make sure the corresponding screw holes. When you install the handlebars, you need to take out this part first. Then install the handlebars here. Adjust the angle you need. When the first time you tighten screws, don't be too tight, because you need to adjust it again. Finally, tighten the screws. Install the displays. Easy as usual, just need to find the corresponding screw holes. Don't forget to connect this charging port. And then the cell phone holder. Mirrors screwed in. Last, install the battery and you are good to go.